Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a recipe that was given to me by an old roommate in college many years ago in Texas. The name of this recipe is butter dips and it has very few ingredients. What you need is 115 grams of butter, 350 grams of flour, 10 grams of castor sugar, 40 grams of baking powder, and 250 ml of milk. You need to heat up your oven to 230 degrees Celsius. Let's start. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our butter and we're going to put it in a microwave-proof container and melt it. Let's put it at the lowest setting and get it going. I like to do this 10-second interval so that way you have control and it doesn't start exploding in your microwave. While that's going on, we're going to take a bowl and we're going to sift all of our dry ingredients. So we're going to start with the flour. That helps to make a fluffier mixture, and it helps to actually mix the ingredients together. So we're going to take our flour, our baking powder, and our sugar, and we're going to sift. Let's check on our butter. Yeah. It needs a little bit more time. Once the flour is sifted, we are going to add our milk and mix it with a fork. This is a very easy recipe. We just want this mixture to come together. There's no need to use anything else. It'll take, I don't know, 20, 30 turns, and as you can see, it's come together like in a very shaggy, sticky, loose sort of mixture. We're now going to put it on a floured surface. And we're going to turn out our mixture. And we're going to bring it together. Gonna push it down. Now we're gonna roll it. To about, I don't know, 1.5 centimeters. Doesn't need to be neat nor anything. This is a very rough recipe, but it's very easy. I'll dust off some of this. There you go. There you go. And we're going to take a knife. I'm gonna try to shape it a little bit better. Gonna cut it. roughly the same width at least. Some of them are going to be shorter, some of them are going to be longer. If you want to get the trimmings together. Make another one. There you go. No waste. That's Cook Street. Then on a plate, we're going to place our melted butter, and we are going to dip our little dips, as it were, into the butter and place it on a tray ready for the oven. Good to roll a little breads, let's say, a little sticks. I'm gonna roll them in butter and we're going to bake them. These are delicious as a snack. My oven is now up to temperature, so I'm going to place my little biscuity bready deliciousness in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, it's done. Let's see what we got. Ah, look at these gorgeous golden little bready bits. It's delicious. Look at that. Oh, that with a piece. Look how gorgeous. And that with a piece, with a bit of coffee or a cup of tea in an afternoon, maybe some cheese for a little cheese platter. That can be a nice addition. Super easy. You can keep it for a day or two in an airtight container once they're cool, and let's see how delicious they are. Oh my Lord. Definitely worth the effort. Easy to make. You can make it with your family. Now that we're all stuck inside together, make it with your kids. It's a fun thing to do, and it could be your afternoon snack, or you can even have it for breakfast. It's delicious. Just give it a go.